this is Milena with Sweet Treats, and today we are going to be making a chocolate cake. Things you will need are 1 cup of softened butter or margarine, 2 cups of sugar, 2/3 a cup of cocoa powder, a pinch of salt, 2 eggs, 2 cups of hot water divided, 2 cups of flour. I'm using cake and pastry flour. 2 teaspoons of baking powder and 2 teaspoons of baking soda. Tools we will use are measuring spoons, measuring cups, a whisk, a kettle, and a mixer. Step 1 is to cream together 1 cup of softened butter and 2 cups of sugar. Now all of our ingredients are in a bowl. It's time to cream them. What your mixture should look like once you're done mixing. Once your butter and sugar are creamed together, you're going to add 3/4 a cup of cocoa powder, 1 pinch of salt, and 2 egg whites. We've added in our 2 egg whites, and now it's time for a pinch of salt. And next we are adding in 2/3 a cup of cocoa powder. Once you have added in your cocoa powder, you are going to beat the mixture together. Your mixture looks like this. It's time to get the kettle ready to warm up 2 cups of hot water. In a smaller bowl, you are going to combine 2 cups of flour, 2 teaspoons of baking soda, and 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Once all your ingredients are in your bowl, you are going to hand whisk until it is just combined. Tips when doing this is to never ever over whisk. Once your dry mix looks like this, we are going to add 1 cup of our hot water into our wet mix. Add in your hot water, it's time to mix. Once you've added in all your hot water, it's time to add in your 2 egg yolks. And mix it up. Once all of your egg yolks are mixed in, you are going to add your dry ingredients. Once you've added in your dry ingredients, the mixture should look like this. But make sure you do not overmix when adding in your dry ingredients. Next step after this is to add your remaining 1 cup of hot water. All your ingredients are mixed together. You are going to preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Once your ovens are preheated, you are going to need 2 8-inch round pans, parchment paper, or some cooking spray to grease your pans. You've greased your pans and your batter is mixed well. It's time to pour the batter evenly between the 2 pans. Once your cake pans look like this, it's time to put them in the oven. Once your cake pans are in the oven, set your timer for 25 to 30 minutes. Ta-da! This is the chocolate cake that we made today. If you found it useful, like and subscribe to my channel, and tell all your friends. Milena, out.